Hi, I'm Dr. Bob McLean. I'm the senior veterinarian here at the Audubon Nature Institute in New Orleans. On November 28th, we received a brown pelican from the Humane Society. Jeff Dorson brought it to us. And this pelican seemed to have been oiled, had an oily substance around its head and neck. It had been picked up the day before by a boat operator, Shane Burris, near Southwest Pass. The reason the oil is a problem is it can basically mess up the bird's feathers, and it's not able to fly well, and it's not able to insulate well from the water. So it can be a real problem for the animal. But this bird did very well. So after a couple weeks, he was ready to be released. So we brought him to the Riverview Park and released him, and he flew off, and it was a really nice feeling.